All right, so let's talk about question number 5, the integration of sine square 3x. Yes, beta, that is a type 3 of integration P3, which is single parts, as you know that. Yes, so can we integrate sine square 3x directly or not? The answer is no. We can't integrate sine square and cos square functions directly in integration. That is an important idea. We did in P3, which you need to memorize. So what I need to do, I need to apply formula. What is the formula of sine square theta in trigonometry? 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. We already did this formula in P3. I already told you the variation of this formula is that this angle is always be a double of this angle. If this angle would be 1 theta, so that would be a 2 theta. If this would be a 2 theta, then that would be a 4 theta. Simple. So this angle will always be a double of this angle actually. So for example, if I will talk about sine square 3 theta. So what is the double of 3 theta? The double of 3 will be 6. So you need to apply this formula. 1 minus cos 6 theta divided by 2. It's not theta, it's x actually. I need to put x. Because the question in terms of x actually. So what can I do? Everyone knows I have to separate the fraction. So let's separate the fraction. Cos 6x over 2. Then apply integration separately. Because there is addition or minus sign, you will see. Then apply integration separately. So the integration of constant will be 1 over 2x. The integration of 1 is x. The integration of 2 is 2x. 3 is 3x. 4 and 4 is 4x. So you have to shift constant outside the integration because it can never work in integration. So always shift constant outside the integration. Now what can I do? Everyone knows that I can't integrate until the derivative of angle is present outside the box. What is the angle? What is the box? 6x. What is the derivative of box? 6. The derivative of 6x is 6, which is not present. So you have to multiply with 6 and divide with 6. That is a universal rule for mathematics. So three things will disappear. This one and the derivative of angle and dx. So it will become 1 over 12. The integration of cos will be sine 6x. Plus, always put plus c at the end of the answer of integration. I don't think now there is an issue how it can works. So please you should remember the integration of sine square and the integration of sine square and cos square is not possible directly in P3. First you need to apply a formula, then separate the integration, then the separate the terms, then apply integration, and you can't integration if the derivative of angle is not present outside the operator. So please check the derivative of box is present or not. If not, so you need to multiply and divide with constant number only, then you can move forward. So all right, so similarly this part is also related with integrational part. Can we integrate directly? Can we integrate? What is the main important rule in complete integration chapter? The main rule is that sir, I can't integrate until the derivative of angle or box is present outside the operator. What is the box of power rule? That is the box. What is the derivative of box? 2x. It is present outside the box or not? No, the x is present. X is present, but the problem is 2 is not present. What can I do? Simple. If the constant is not present, so you can multiply with constant, and similarly you have to divide with constant outside the integration. So three things will disappear, this one and the derivative of box, which is 2x, this one and this sign. What will be the remaining term? 1 over 2. Let's apply power rule. How to apply power rule in integration? Add the power 1 similarly and put plus c. It will become 5 over 2 and denominator will also become 5 over 2. So let's shift denominator into numerator. So obviously it will flip, everyone knows. But whenever you will shift fractional term from denominator to numerator, so it will always flip. Now it can be cancelled out, so the final answer will become this one. So this is our final answer of this question. All right.